Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Product Reviews, your go-to channel for the best home and garden tools. Today we're exploring the 10 best lawn aerators that make maintaining a healthy, green lawn easier than ever. Lawn aeration helps improve soil health, enhances water and nutrient absorption, and keeps your grass looking lush. Whether you're a weekend gardener or a lawn care enthusiast, these aerators offer both efficiency and ease of use. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. CU Tech Rolling Lawn Aerator. The CU Tech Rolling Lawn Aerator is perfect for homeowners looking for a simple yet effective way to aerate their lawn. Its rolling design allows for smooth movement across grass while evenly distributing the aeration spikes into the soil. The aerator's durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a suitable choice for regular lawn care. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it requires minimal effort and is ideal for medium to large yards. The roller evenly aerates soil, promoting healthier grass roots and improved water and nutrient absorption. For anyone wanting a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use manual aerator, the CU Tech Rolling Lawn Aerator delivers convenience, durability, and better lawn health with minimal effort. Manual Core Lawn Aerator. The Manual Core Lawn Aerator is designed to remove soil plugs efficiently, allowing air, water, and nutrients to reach your grass roots. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for regular lawn care. Comfortable handles and ergonomic design reduce strain while pushing the aerator across the yard. This aerator works well for medium to large lawns, ensuring uniform soil penetration for better grass growth. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to store after use. For gardeners seeking a practical, hands-on tool that improves soil health, the Manual Core Lawn Aerator combines efficiency, comfort, and durability, making it a great addition to any home lawn care toolkit. Rolling Spike Lawn Aerator. The Rolling Spike Lawn Aerator is an easy-to-use tool designed for homeowners who want a healthy green lawn. Its rolling spike design gently punctures the soil to allow water, nutrients, and air to penetrate the roots. Built with durable materials, it withstands repeated use and provides consistent aeration. Lightweight and easy to push, it requires minimal effort while covering a large lawn efficiently. The aerator improves soil compaction, promoting stronger, thicker grass growth over time. Ideal for weekend gardeners, the Rolling Spike Lawn Aerator is perfect for small to medium-sized yards. For anyone wanting a simple, effective, and reliable manual aerator, this tool provides excellent performance and durability for maintaining a beautiful, lush lawn with minimal effort. Core Steel Lawn Aerator. The Core Steel Lawn Aerator is a durable tool designed to remove soil plugs and reduce lawn compaction effectively. Its steel tines penetrate the soil, allowing oxygen, water, and nutrients to reach the grass roots for healthier growth. The sturdy frame ensures long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic handle reduces user fatigue during extended use. Lightweight yet strong, it's suitable for medium to large lawns and is easy to maneuver. Regular use helps maintain lush green grass and prevent soil compaction issues. For homeowners seeking a reliable manual aerator that combines durability, efficiency, and ease of use, Core Steel Lawn Aerator is a top choice for improving overall lawn health. Landsea 42-inch Lawn Aerator. The Landsea 42-inch Lawn Aerator offers wide coverage, making it ideal for medium to large yards. Its steel tines penetrate the soil to reduce compaction and enhance water and nutrient absorption. Durable construction ensures long-term performance, while the ergonomic handle makes pushing the aerator comfortable and easy. Lightweight yet sturdy, it can be maneuvered across lawns efficiently, saving time and effort. Regular aeration with this tool promotes stronger roots, healthier grass, and a lush, vibrant lawn. For gardeners who want an effective, easy-to-use manual aerator with broad coverage, the Landsea 42-inch Lawn Aerator provides performance, durability, and efficiency for maintaining a beautiful lawn effortlessly. Walensee Heavy Lawn Aerator. The Walensee Heavy Lawn Aerator is built for homeowners who want robust, reliable performance. Its heavy-duty design allows the aerator to penetrate tough soil, ensuring air, water, and nutrients reach the grass roots efficiently. The steel tines and durable frame provide long-lasting use, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation. Lightweight enough to maneuver, yet heavy enough to maximize aeration, it works well on medium to large lawns. Regular use helps reduce soil compaction and promotes thicker, greener grass. For anyone looking for a sturdy, high-quality manual aerator that delivers professional results, the Walensee Heavy Lawn Aerator combines strength, convenience, and durability in one effective tool. EEEIR Manual Lawn Aerator. The EEEIR Manual Lawn Aerator is designed for gardeners who want an affordable and effective aeration solution. Its steel tines penetrate the soil to reduce compaction and improve water and nutrient absorption. The lightweight, ergonomic design allows easy pushing across small to medium lawns without straining the user. Durable construction ensures it withstands repeated use, making it a reliable addition to any lawn care routine. Regular aeration with this tool promotes healthier roots and greener grass, improving overall lawn health. For anyone seeking a practical, easy-to-use, and durable manual aerator, the EEEIR Manual Lawn Aerator provides excellent value and performance for maintaining a beautiful, lush lawn. Manual Spike Lawn Aerator. The Manual Spike Lawn Aerator is a simple yet effective tool for promoting healthy lawn growth. Its durable spikes penetrate the soil to relieve compaction and allow air, water, and nutrients to nourish the roots. Lightweight and easy to handle, it reduces strain while covering small to medium lawns efficiently. Sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for regular aeration. Using this aerator regularly improves grass thickness, root strength, and overall lawn health. Perfect for homeowners seeking a practical, hands-on solution, the Manual Spike Lawn Aerator combines convenience, durability, and efficiency to keep your lawn vibrant and green. Vasilade Rotary Lawn Aerator. The Vasilade Rotary Lawn Aerator features a rotating time design for efficient and consistent soil penetration. Its steel spikes aerate the soil, reducing compaction and allowing essential nutrients, water, and air to reach the roots. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for small to medium-sized yards. Durable construction ensures long-term use, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended aeration sessions. Regular use encourages thicker, healthier grass and a vibrant lawn appearance. For gardeners who want an effective, easy-to-use manual aerator with excellent performance, convenience, and durability for maintaining a lush green lawn with minimal effort. Sucktail 18-inch Lawn Aerator. The Sucktail 18-inch Lawn Aerator is ideal for homeowners looking for a compact and efficient aeration solution. Its steel tines penetrate the soil to reduce compaction and improve nutrient, water, and air absorption for healthier grass. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's easy to push across small to medium lawns without fatigue. Durable construction ensures long-term use, making it a reliable tool for regular lawn maintenance. Aeration with this device promotes stronger roots, thicker grass, and overall greener lawn. For anyone seeking an effective, practical, and easy-to-use manual aerator, the Sucktail 18-inch Lawn Aerator provides convenience, durability, and excellent performance for a lush, healthy lawn. And there you have it, the 10 best lawn aerators to keep your lawn healthy, green, and vibrant. Whether you prefer rolling, spike, or core designs, these tools make aeration easy, efficient, and effective. Regular lawn care with these aerators improves soil health, enhances nutrient absorption, and promotes strong grass roots. If one of these caught your eye, be sure to check the link in the description for pricing and full details. Thanks for watching Top Product Reviews. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more top quality reviews of home, garden, and outdoor tools.